Did you know that most master leather crafters were once just like you and started off with zero leatherworking tools at all? You don't need a bunch of fancy leatherworking tools to get started in leathercraft today. Welcome to Big Stack Small Workshop. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 quick and easy projects you can make without any expensive leather crafting tools. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to get patterns for these projects absolutely free, which means you'll be able to start leatherworking today, and you can either keep these projects for yourself or gift them to your family and friends. Let's start first by learning how to build this classy leather dresser valet. The most dangerous knife is a dull one, so it's a good idea to start each day in your shop with a fresh, sharp blade. Take a scrap piece of leather and place it on a cutting mat. Make a straight cut along one of the sides. Then cut a second side to make a 90-degree angle. Finish cutting your material into a 6-inch by 6-inch square. You can use the tip of a blunt pencil to mark where your holes will go. Next, punch 2 holes in each corner. If you don't have any leather punches, you can drill your holes with a brad point drill bit. But this can be a bit messy because the sawdust will stick to the back of your leather. I really suggest investing in a set of punches. You can pick up a very inexpensive set from Amazon for $10 to $15. I'll put a link in the description below. Once you are done making your holes, use some double-capped rivets to join your corners together. A basic set of rivets will sometimes come with basic rivet setting tools. This valet is a very easy project to make and makes a wonderful gift. You can also sell them fairly inexpensively online or at craft fairs. If you want to keep up with more leatherworking and small shop ideas, smack that subscribe button so you can join the Big Stacks family of makers. This strap keychain is another fun project to make and can be customized with a swivel snap or a carabiner. Start by cutting a strap of leather 3/4 of an inch wide and square off your ends. It's a good idea to butt up the ends to make sure your ruler didn't slide on you. The ends of my strap did not match up, which means it's uneven. I just moved on from my mistake and cut a new strap. Every time you make a mistake, I want you to realize you aren't the only one, and you shouldn't let it stop you from becoming a better leather crafter. Next, use a penny as a guide for your knife and round off your ends. The set of snaps that I'm using came with its own snap setting tools. Fold one end over 3 inches and punch the proper sized hole to fit a snap through both pieces of leather. Swing your strap around and punch the same size hole in the other end as well. Fold the end of the strap over a key ring and set the snap stud in place. Then set a snap cap on the other end and check that it fits together well. They usually snap together fine, but if it doesn't, the snap may need a little bit of encouragement to hold. Don't hit it too hard. Now you can leave the strap keychain like it is, or customize it to your liking with a carabiner or swivel snap. For those of you having problems with snaps, you are not alone. They can be finicky. So go ahead and click on this link right here. It will take you to my video about snaps, which shares tons of information about them. If you're looking for those free template patterns, click on the link in the description below. They're only available for a limited time, and they're absolutely free to all the members of the Big Stacks family of makers. Our third project is the quickest and easiest of all, the cable keeper. This project is usually advertised to wrap up the cords from your earbuds, but so many people now have gone wireless. Just like everything wireless though, they all charge with a USB cable, and this cable keeper is great to wrangle your USB cables. First, draw a circle on a piece of leather. Then you can cut it out with either a knife or a pair of heavy-duty scissors. I'm cutting 2 circles out to show you both ways that you can make the cable keeper. Once they are cut out, punch 2 holes in a straight line across the center of the circle, 1/2 inch from each end. If you need help with this, don't forget to visit the link in the description for those free patterns. Once your holes are punched, cut a very small slit off one of the holes for a button stud. Screw the button stud in on the other hole when you're finished. The first time you push the button stud in, it may take a little effort. If you don't want to use a button stud or can't find one, you can always set a snap in your cable keeper instead. Easy peasy. Remember, Big Stacks grows, Big Stacks builds, and Big Stacks makes. Don't forget about the free patterns in the description. They're only available for a limited time. Plus, you'll become a member of the Big Stacks family. And since I always take care of family, I promise to get you off your couch and get you started in your shop. Or you can just watch this video, which YouTube thinks you should see next.